day 22 of 100 daily prints until the end of the year. Lately, the year has been super dry, and I've been taking a chapstick with me everywhere I go to keep my lips from drying out and cracking. Trying to, at least, because I keep losing them. I have already gathered a whole little collection from the ones I lost and later found again. So, to fix that, I made this new cap for it, with a small hole that fits a keyring. Now, I can attach it to my keychain and always have it with me. Simple, practical, and saves my wallet from buying a new one every time I lose it, and my lips from suffering through this dry weather. And bonus, my girlfriend loves it. Comment what I should print next. See you tomorrow for day 23.